Hey guys, it's AGV here. Happy New Year! And for the 2024 goal, this is Balik Alindog program. I know that most of us has gained a lot of weight after eating delicious food in Christmas and New Year. So, the goal for today's video is to eat or drink or take any nutritious food. So here I am. I am making my breakfast. This is smoothie. And I just put in kiwi, blueberries, grapes, and banana. And soon I'm going also to add milk. And then put it into the blender. Press the button and wait until it's done. It's easy to prepare and all you need, of course, is a blender and blend your fruits. It's a 2 minutes video and your breakfast is ready. So we'll see. I will keep you updated if I do lose my weight or get slimmer and sexier this 2024. Here you go. Oh, this is sweet. No sugar. Yeah, yummy. Bye.